The Iteration Techniques Programming Challenge 1 is here for you. If you have already seen the rules earlier, please skip this video for about a minute to reach the problem description scene. Please go through these rules before you take this challenge. Please take a notebook and pen before you read further. Problems shown here will also depict a recommended time to solve with acronym shown as RTS. You are advised to keep it as a guideline for you. Don't worry much if you take higher time than the recommended time. Efficiency increases by practice only. Right? You are requested to pause the video after the problem is shown to you. If you really want to evaluate yourself, please do so. After some time of the problem slide, you will be shown the hint slide. You should play the video further to watch the hint and then pause again to try solving the problem again. After that, you are brought to the detailed solution page. Please watch every second of it and compare it with your own solution. Here is problem 1 for you. Make a Java program to print sum of odd and sum of even numbers between 1 to 10. Try to be optimum in terms of use of variables. Please pause the video now and try to solve the problem. Play it further when you need the hint. If number mod 2 is 0, it is an even number, else odd. Pause again now. Replay further when you are ready with the answer. Here is the detailed solution. This one is a fairly simple loop, the for loop, with variables initialized for some odd and some even. The for loop works on the basis of counter I, which is also used to check for divisibility by 2 to show it as even, else as odd. The sum even and sum odd variables are added successively in each iteration to get the final value of sum even and sum odd when the loop comes out. Then it is printed. The trick here demonstrates that some variable can be used for summation while looping. Many times, programmers take separate sum variable which is not required. Here is problem 2 for you. Here is a program with nested for loops. Please evaluate it carefully, follow the loops, and then write the expected output this program will produce. Please pause the video now and try to solve the problem. Play it further when you need the hint. Right half pyramid with alphabets and ASCII codes will be printed. Pause again now. Replay further when you are ready with the answer. Here is the detailed solution. Let us evaluate this program, the nested for loop program. Here what we have done is that we have defined a variable as capital A where ASCII character A has been filled. And this outer loop runs 3 times and we are supposed to print rows using the outer loop. And this inner loop is actually qualified with outer I. This starts from 1, so when outer loop is first loop is there, so this runs for 1 time because this is less than equal to I. Next time when this is 2, so this inner loop will run for 2 times, and third time the inner loop will run for 3 times because again it is qualified with I. And what actually it will print will be the same alphabet A and then with the space and then its integer form. So integer form of a character alphabet will be its ASCII code and then again space so that we can produce it neatly. And then we'll do it. This A++ means this will again increment it by 1. So if the ASCII code is 65, so this will become 65. So B will be printed. So next time C will be printed accordingly. So this should produce an interesting output. And lastly, this one is to just simply give another line break. Let us run this code. Yeah, it is printing very neatly. This first time it is printing A followed by its exercise code 65, then B followed by exercise code 66. Now it is second outer loop, and then second time the inner loop will run twice because outer loop value is 2. Third time the inner loop will run thrice. So D, E, F would be printed. That's why these comments are there, repetition of rows and printing each row. So each row will be qualified by how many times this outer index has increased. So these are the kind of programs which we use for printing various kinds of patterns. And this is called half pyramid because top to bottom, this is right half of the pyramid. So half pyramid is being printed. So we can print any kind of patterns using this kind of nested loops. Thank you.